In this video, I will show you how to find your Steam ID. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To find your Steam ID, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. And once you're logged in, if you come up to the top right hand corner, and what you want to do is click onto your name up here where it says manage account to bring up this menu, and then come down and click here where it says account details. Now what that's going to do is take you across to your account page. There's a number of reasons you might actually need your Steam ID as well. For example, some apps and websites need you, if you for example want to link your Steam account to something like Rockstar Games or Epic Games, sometimes they require your Steam ID to link your accounts. Now this way you can actually come to find your Steam ID. If you actually look towards the top of the page here, underneath your name here, you're going to see your actual Steam ID, which is a sequence of numbers. If you need to use this for anything, just simply go ahead, highlight by holding down the left mouse button, dragging along, and then of course you can right click and copy and use that wherever you need to. So that's how to find your Steam ID. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.